Why are so many South Indian restaurants named Aryaas or Saravanas? Have you ever noticed that every other South Indian restaurant is named Aryaas or Saravanas? They are everywhere: India, Dubai, and even the US. Ever wonder why? Let's find out. Aryaas, Saravanas, Arya Bhavan, Saravana Bhavan, Aryaas Park, so many variations, and they all sound similar. And it's not a coincidence, trust me. To understand this, we need to look at two major chains, Saravana Bhavan and Aryaas. These names aren't random. They have history and a bit of controversy too. Saravana Bhavan was chartered in 1981 by P. Rajagopal in Chennai. It became famous for its authentic vegetarian food and fast service. But what made it unique? Standardization. No matter where you ate, Chennai, Kochi or New York, the taste was the same. The chain expanded globally, bringing South Indian vegetarian dining experience to the world. But there is a darker side to this story. Despite his success, Rajagopal's personal life took a shocking turn. He was convicted in a high-profile criminal case, which eventually led to his downfall. Yet, Saravana Bhavan remains one of the biggest South Indian restaurant chains in the world. Now let's talk about Aryaas. Unlike Saravana Bhavan, it didn't start as a single restaurant chain. Instead, it became a name associated with so many restaurants located at Kerala, Tamil Nadu and even the Middle East. The brand name Aryaas is believed to have originated in Kerala, inspired by the word Arya, which means noble in Sanskrit. Over time, many business owners created their own versions: Sri Aryaas, Aryaas Regency, Arya Bhavan and more. But why do these names keep repeating? One reason is brand familiarity. People often associate these names with high quality South Indian food. So, new businesses often adopt similar names to attract customers. The other one is legal loopholes. Saravana Bhavan has tried to protect its brand, but since Saravana is a common name in Tamil Nadu, many restaurants get away with similar names. What's your favorite South Indian restaurant? Let us know in the comments.